to save your brain. My name is Rosario De Luz, and I will be the facilitator for this workshop. I'm so excited to spend time with teens. Thank you for coming. First, we will start by getting to know each other and what brought you to my workshop today. So let's spend 30 seconds and introduce yourselves. Thank you so much for all your comments. I am so glad you all came here to discuss the topic of marijuana. To get us into the subject, I would like you to answer the following questions on the paper in front of you or to yourself. When was the last time you saw marijuana on campus? That would be the first question. Number 2, how many teens do you know that use marijuana? Number 3, what damages does marijuana cause in your brain? Number 4, is marijuana harmful to your body? Number 5, what can you do to stop using it and help others do the same? I spent the last 3 months bringing awareness of the dangers of using marijuana at a young age. And today I'm trying to make sure the youth in this school district is well informed and not caught up by surprise. So let's start by watching a quick video and then we will discuss what is being addressed in it. So what did you learn from this video? Let's review some of the concepts explaining here. First, you can grow your brain by learning. That happens by creating new connections. That is why we learn new things every day. Think of a baby, how he learns month to month, to the point that by the time he reaches the big mark of 1 year old, is able to walk, is able to connect with people, smiling, and is able to even say a few words. Well, that keeps happening during your teen years as well. In fact, your brain continues to grow until age 25. But you can stop the brain growth yourself by using marijuana. Yes, marijuana reduces your brain size and can permanently reduce your IQ. So become smarter. Save your brain. Marijuana is harmful to the developing brain. And what I'm going to tell you right now is very important. So pay attention to this. Marijuana not only lowers your intelligence, but will lower your possibilities of reaching your full potential in life. Here are some of the consequences. It will affect your grades and your ability to finish high school. You will suffer from poor concentration and memory problems. You will have a hard time learning new things and maintaining attention. You will have poor thinking and problem-solving skills. And even there is a higher probability that you will drop out of high school if you use marijuana. Okay, so marijuana not only affects your developing brain, but marijuana also has effects on your mental health. You will have a higher risk for depression, anxiety, suicidal thoughts, personality disturbances, lack of motivation, hallucinations, and even schizophrenia. So marijuana causes addiction as well. Marijuana is more potent than it used to be and is addictive. In fact, it's 10 times more potent than it used to be. So it's not safe, okay? 1 in 6 youth who try marijuana will become addicted to it. Marijuana abuse is the #1 reason youth are in treatment and expelled from school. You will become a slave to marijuana once you become addicted, so just stay away from it. And the time is now. Stop the addiction and help others to stop the addiction as well. Marijuana damages your lungs. It doesn't stop with your brain. It damages a lot of parts of your body, but especially your lungs. Do you know what is in marijuana smoke? Marijuana smoke deposits 4 times more tar in the lungs than regular smoking. It contains 50 to 70% more cancer-causing substances than tobacco. So why would you put tar in your lungs? Or put things that cause cancer in your lungs and in your body? So let's talk now about edibles. Because a lot of think, well, I don't smoke. I just eat stuff that has marijuana. Well, edibles are not regulated. It takes longer to feel the effect the marijuana has in your body. So people end up taking too much. They end up in the emergency room because they contain higher levels of THC, all the edibles. So risks include hallucinations, difficulty breathing, varying levels of paralysis, suicide, and homicide. It doesn't really matter if you smoke it, eat it, dab it, or vape it. Marijuana will damage your health, even if there is not health warnings on the labels of the stuff that you buy. It will damage your health. Remember that. Make sure you only consume safe edibles that do not contain marijuana. In conclusion, I hope today you learned that when you take the risk of using marijuana, you can jeopardize your present and future brain. Marijuana is addictive and can cause lung cancer as well. Finally, it affects your learning and your mental health. We need a community of teens against marijuana, so the youth in our school district don't fall into the trap of marijuana. I hope I can count on you. Now, I'm going to ask if you will be willing to join me in making sure other youth know their risks as well. So spread the word. You can do this by distributing posters or using the following social media ads I have in here, on Instagram and on Facebook. You can forward those to them, to your friends, and also you can put these posters at the school or other places that you might encounter other friends, so people will be aware of what is happening in your brain. And finally, I would like you to complete a survey before you leave, so I have an idea of what, if it was anything of this helpful, and what other things to add to this workshop. And I want to thank you again for coming to my workshop. If you need to reach me, there's a website for more information, or my phone number as well. Okay? So please, if you need help stopping or need resources for where to go for treatment, please let me know. There's my phone number, so just reach me. And there's also resources for you to check out. Okay? Thank you so much for coming, and have a great day.